Welcome to the finale of the Summer Sips, Eats, and Sweets collab, co-hosted by Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and yours truly, Sonia, MultiFacettedMe. Now, today, I hope that you have your apron on, you have a pen and a pad to get ready to take down some fantastic recipes. I am so excited to see the desserts and treats that they have in store for us. So why don't we just not delay and get right to it. Hi everyone, this is Sonia and we are at the finale of the Summer Sips, Eats, and Sweets collab, and I am going to share with you my crock pot recipe for peach cobbler. Now, if my mother was living, she probably would have a heart attack because she was a scratch cook that rolled out dough and basket weave and all of that stuff. And I love your mom, but ain't nobody got time for all that.
Oh.
So, if you are on keto, Weight Watchers, doing a lifestyle change, this probably is not the one for you, because we're doing no calorie counting over here. This is all about good taste and yummy goodness. Okay, so what you're going to need is a box of yellow cake mix. You're going to need 2 cans of peaches, or at least 2 cups, or as much as to your liking. You will need a tablespoon of cinnamon and a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 stick of real butter. Okay? All right. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to get started. First, you want to take your crock pot and you want to use some cooking spray and coat the inside of your crock pot. Then you want to put your softened stick of butter into your crock pot. Then you want your 2 cans of peaches, or the recipe at least calls for 2 cups. It's at your discretion if you want more peaches or not. And you do include the juice that is in the can, and I'm using Del Monte. Oops. Well, it was going right on in there. So yeah, I'm using Del Monte peaches 100% juice. Then you want to take 1 tablespoon cinnamon. I don't know that I'm going to use quite a full tablespoon, maybe 3/4 of a tablespoon. And then you want to take a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ooh, a little more won't hurt. Yes, it is.
That's the best yet.
Thank you, lady.
Happy summer to me.
So I guess you're wondering how this tastes. Well, let's take a taste test. I want you to see how marvelously this has cooked in this crock pot. Look at that. And I have it paired with some vanilla ice cream. All right, we're going to take a taste test. That is so good. You really do need to keep a close eye on your crock pot because you do not want to overcook it. You don't want to cook your peaches down to a stew. So at 1.5 hours to 2, and every 15 minutes after that, you always want to be checking. If you use frozen, you may want to, but even then, not more than half a cup. And I wanted you to take a look at it again. Look at that. No calorie counting here. None. Ladies, please do try it. You will not be sorry, and I almost believe I could fool my mother. Let me look around and make sure she don't hit me again. All right. Thank you so much for watching. This has been an outstanding collab. The playlist is in the description box. I hope that you will take the time to go through each week of our collab. The sips, your favorite summer drink, the eat, your favorite summer salad, and the finale, the summer sweet, your favorite dessert or treat. Again, I would like to thank my co-host, Easy Living with Elle, and Cindy from Create with Cindy. It has been a blast. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. And to all the participants, you have been wonderfully kind to us. Thank you again. And I see you in the next video. Have a great summer. Bye-bye.